This is Teo Nikolakis with Audioholics. Some of you who saw my preview video on the JVC DLA RS3100 laser projector, also known as the JVC DLA NZ8, wrote in and commented about the projector mount that I had in my theater. What caught everyone's attention apparently was that the projector mount has simple dials to adjust for vertical tilt, horizontal roll, and horizontal rotation. The simple answer is this is the Dreamedia Universal Large Projector Mount. It comes in black or white and fits JVC, Sony, and Epson projectors. As you can probably relate, what I really love about the mount are the easy, precise adjustments that I can make to my projector installations via the onboard dials. Previously, I used projector mounts with adjustable screws like this, and I had screws on all four sides for a total of 12 adjustment screws that I had to fiddle with and potentially make adjustments to the projector's mount access. I found that making fine adjustments to these kinds of ceiling mounts a pain. Not only that, over time, I sometimes needed to readjust the screws, which was always an ordeal with such a low ceiling mount. All that is a thing of the past with this universal projector mount. The universal projector mount accommodates standard installations and also has a ceiling plate for connecting extension pipes from the ceiling if you need it. Now, I will say you do pay a premium price for this projector mount. Nevertheless, the fine-tuning ability and the time saving that I've gotten from this mount has been light years ahead of other mounts that I've used. What's really great from the perspective of aesthetics as well is that once I'm done adjusting the dials, I simply pop on the included cap and the dials disappear. I can see this kind of mount being a lifesaver in particular for people who need to make frequent adjustments to their projector alignment due to drift caused by environmental vibrations, for example. So there you have it. The projector mount that you saw in my setup is the Dreamedia Universal Large Projector Mount. If you're looking to get precise projector alignment with your screen, or if your projector alignment is a pain point for you and you want to make dialing in your projector alignment a breeze, then check out Dreamedia's Universal Projector Mount. To make things easier for you too, we've put a link directly to the projector mount in the description below. A note as always that when you purchase any products using affiliate links listed in these YouTube video descriptions below, you do help support this channel. Finally, and most importantly, a word of caution: anytime you're mounting a projector to the ceiling, ensure that you're using a projector mount that's properly sized for your projector's weight. Follow all instructions carefully, and I always recommend having a professional perform the installation for safety first. So thanks for writing in. Hopefully that gives you all the answers to what the projector mount, and if that helps satisfies a pain point for you and make your installations easier, I'm glad it was able to help. So until next time, keep listening, and thanks for writing in.
And don't forget our Patreon channel at patreon.com/audioholics. We appreciate your support. You'll get direct access to us, you can ask questions, and you can even suggest topics for future programs.